You're watching India Today with me, Nabila Jamal. Our top focus today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi in West Bengal. Today on that stage, he teared into Mamata Banerjee's government during his maiden election rally today. Prime Minister Modi, speaking from Kolkata's Brigade Ground, lashed out at the TMC government, accusing it of helping syndicates. Prime Minister lashed out at Mamata for indulging in blood politics and accused Mamata for working for her nephew.
इस ग्राउंड ने अनेक देशभक्तों को देखा है, लेकिन ये ग्राउंड बंगाल के विकास में रोड़ा अटकाने वालों का भी गवाह रहा है। बंगाल की भूमि को 2400 घंटे हड़ताल और बंद में झोंक देने वालों की नीतियां और साजिशें भी इस ग्राउंड ने देखी है। इन लोगों ने बंगाल की इस महान भूमि का जो हाल किया, वो पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी बंगाल के लोगों ने सहा है, बर्दाश्त किया है। क्या गरीब कर भी राजनीति करेंगे? लेकिन अफसोस है साथियों कि देश में टीएमसी सरकार गरीबों पर झूठ बोल के राजनीति करने पर तुली हुई है। हर घर जल पहुंचाने के लिए केंद्र सरकार जो पैसे भेज रही है, उसका बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा आज तक यहां की सरकार खर्च ही नहीं कर पाई है। और आज इस ब्रिगेड ग्राउंड से पूरे बंगाल के लोगों से पूछता हूं, क्या टीएमसी सरकार बंगाल के गरीबों, यहां की महिलाओं, यहां के बच्चों की गुनहगार है कि नहीं है? गुनहगार है कि नहीं है? गुनहगार है कि नहीं है? इस चुनाव में उसे सजा मिलनी चाहिए कि नहीं मिलनी चाहिए? चोरों से सजा मिलनी चाहिए कि नहीं मिलनी चाहिए? जब आपकी स्कूटी भवानीपुर जाने के बाद बदल नंदीग्राम की तरफ मुड़ गई, अब दीदी हम तो हर किसी का भला चाहते, हम नहीं चाहते किसी को चोट आए, लेकिन जब स्कूटी ने नंदीग्राम में गिरना तय किया है तो हम क्या करें? दीदी और उनके साथियों की नींद उड़ी हुई है। तभी तो ये लोग कह रहे हैं इस बार खेला होवे, खेला होवे, खेला होवे। वाकई ये लोग तो अनुभवी खिलाड़ी हैं, ये खूब खेलना जानते हैं, इन्होंने खूब खेला भी है। कौन से खेल बाकी छोड़ा है आपने? कितने ही घोटाले करके बंगाल के गरीबों को लूटा गया है, बंगाल की संपदा को लूटा गया है। आपने क्या बाकी छोड़ा है? यहां तो अम्फान पीड़ितों के लिए भेजी गई राहत भी लूट ली गई। टोलाबाजी, सिंडिकेट, कमीशन कट, आपने इन घोटाले किए हैं, इतने घोटाले किए हैं कि अपने आप में करप्शन ओलंपिक का खेल आयोजित हो जाए।
Cutting across to Paulami, joining us for more details on that. Paulami, right across to you, amid lakhs of people who joined in at that Brigade Parade Ground in Kolkata, Prime Minister Narendra Modi somehow caught the pulse and point by point attacked Mamata Banerjee on a host of issues, including development, dynasty politics. Take us through exactly what was Prime Minister's pitch this time at his maiden rally right after the election dates were announced.
Well, like you said, Nabila, the Prime Minister touched upon a host of issues as he attacked the Mamata Banerjee-led Trinamool government of the past 10 years in West Bengal. He, of course, attacked Didi for dynasty politics, like you said. He said that you've been referred to as Didi for such a long time. That is something that was fondly, given to you by the people of Bengal who called you Didi. But you clearly have, chosen to turn into someone's species as an aunt, and not Didi anymore, and not that of one person, not that of more than one person, only one person, your nephew. You've turned Pishi to him, and it's all about protecting him. It's all about his interests that you are concerned with. At the moment, the state has taken a backseat as a result. He, of course, told the people that do not fear, go out there and vote. There is nothing to be afraid of. Go out there and quietly vote for the Bharatiya Janata Party. And that is the slogan that he was giving, which is a slogan referred to in Bengal as well. When, of course, the BJP campaigns, they say Chup Chap Podda Chap or Chup Chap Kamal Chap, as the Prime Minister referred to over here. Quietly, just go out there and cast your ballot in favor of the Bharatiya Janata Party. He said that I have been called names, all kinds of names, from Ravan to Danav to Daitya, by the Chief Minister of West Bengal. And he then went on to ask the Chief Minister, "Aapko gussa kyun aata hai?" in Bengali. Also, he asked her, "What makes you so angry, Didi?" So clearly, the Prime Minister took it right to the doorstep of Mamata Banerjee, saying there is the slogan over here. Everyone keeps talking about Khala Hobe, which actually means game is on.
Right.
Yes, we know, the Prime Minister said, what kind of games you've been playing and what exactly has transpired in this state.
Absolutely.
You must
It was
know
indeed
now that
a sharp
game
attack.
is over.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.